Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Google Meet. And here you will update your app as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.